we have the company of Shri Harbhajan Singh Ji, who is currently Chief of Strategy and HR with Auxiliary Institute. So to share in 2-3 minutes his words with all of us. Harbhajan Singh Ji.
Thank you, Mr. Mehta.
Sir.
Honorable Chaudhary Sahab, Deepak Janji, Mr. Bakshi from New Zealand, Mr. Bakshi from Bangkok, all other friends, our NRI friends, our friends from FII. It's a great opportunity, and this historic celebration of 75th anniversary is a great pride for the nation. Freedom comes with a lot of responsibility. Freedom is not free. So Netaji had a slogan, "तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा." Freedom does not come free. Freedom comes with lot of pains, and I think our ancestors have laid their life. They have sacrificed a lot for the nation, and it is the responsibility of we who are present and the futuristic generation to take this nation forward. We are a very young nation, just a 75 years old nation, and the achievement which Indians are doing, whether in India or abroad, means they are creating landmarks for themselves and for the nation. If you see the performance of Indians abroad, it is at a different level than when they are in our own country, and that is because of the lack of ecosystem, which does not allow us many a times uh, case or performed to their optimum level. Anyway, I am very optimistic and hopeful that the millennials, the new generation, will create a different pathway of progress and will make us proud. And when we reach the centenary celebrations, I think we will be far, far ahead. There are various laurels, like if we talk, at one point of time, three-fourths of the software professionals were Indian. Even today, maximum number of women pilots, if you see, they are Indians. So any field and the progress that we have made in these last 75 years is not less. It has been a tremendous progress. And I think that to operate in democracy is a very difficult ball game, and that also with a country which has such a huge population.
Thank you so much,
Is
Harbhajan
that
Ji.
we are
Yeah.
a democracy and we are able to remain a democracy. And I wish all the best, and I hope that we will be doing a great service through FII also, connecting with government and creating opportunities and building nation. Thank you all for this opportunity. I will not take more time. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, Harbhajan Ji.